Hello, my name is Adam Aarons, a consultant with the Experts as a Service at Analysis Prime. Today I want to look at copying widgets between tabs, a feature added in this release of SAC. So we're going to review the object and widget copying from browser tabs and windows, take a look at how it works in SAC, and then review. So in story development, you can now copy and paste objects not just between on the page or to pages within the same tab. You can also move it to pages in additional tabs or windows within the browser. Such objects can be copied and pasted, like I said, between windows, and you now have basically a clipboard functionality you'd have in other programs. It's important to note Control-C and Control-V do work for expediency. Let's hop into SAC and take a quick look at this. So in this situation, I am developing a new page, and I just need the functionality that I was working on in the previous story, which I have open in another tab. I'm working on both at the same time. I can now come into the work that I've already done. I can copy the work I've already done, and you can now see it's on your clipboard. You'll see this now that it's on the clipboard. And if I come in here, I can now paste this in place. And because it's the same story and the same model, and my filter differentiation is all in place already, now I can just modify this table as I need it, but the base work has already been done. So I'm not repeatedly making tables with the same filters. So when there is need to build more complex tables or high level to detailed tables, you can take the base work you've already done and move it. But it is also important to note that you can, in fact, also move objects, not just in the same browser space, but also you can move them within this new window as well. So this is a brand new window. I can paste in here as well. So you can have windows open on multiple screens, and you can move the objects quite easily. So just wrapping up, this is story objects and widgets are now movable between browser tabs and not just on the same browser tab anymore, which is a great feature. Objects are copied to the clipboard, so you can move them as you need to. Like I said, even outside into new windows, which is a great feature. And a similar feature did exist in SAC before, but I went away with this as the new story experience developed, and this is a welcome return. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy this new feature.